standby po sa ating next part ng ating program dahil meron tayong mga konting pa-games po para po sa inyo. Wala ba akong palakpakan dyan? No? Ate Mayen, para po sa inyo rin itong awitin na ito. Yan, para sa inyo mag-asawa. Masarap na lunch ngayon na tanghaling ito. And of course, once again, open na po yung ating photo booth, yung ating hapis na photo booth. At syempre, magpasalamat muli tayo sa ating napakagandang venue dito po sa Doña Estelita at sa ating napakasipag kina DJ Sir Bernard. Yan po. Maraming salamat. Okay, my next song, another original Filipino music coming from Noel Catena. Para po sa inyo. Para po sa inyo. Siguro muna tayo. salamat. Ayan po yung sana po yung nagustuhan nyo yun. Coming from, ano po yun? Ay, sa Sigera. Yan, okay pa po ba? Masarap po ba ang ating pagkain? Masarap. Ayan. Gusto po ba ninyo ng premyo? Ayan, mamaya mag-ready po kayo sa ating munting panarong po. Ayan, standby lang po yan sa ating next part ng ating program. Okay, my next song, coming from Mark Velasco. Para po sa inyo lahat. Para po sa mga magkakaibigan. At sa ating mga kapatid. Para po sa ating mga masisipag na waiter. Yan. Alam nyo guys, sa ating mga waiter, wapo na masipag pa. Diamonds that glow, no damn saints to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the road seems so unfair, you can just take some time to let into this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song. This special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. No, cause I will may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you give life to what I do. All the shit may see you through, still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, this man's gonna to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song. The special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. Alright, wala ba kaming palakpakan dyan? Palapak naman po kayo. Yeah, maraming salamat guys. Alam niyo pag may mga palapak, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. Ayan. Thank you po. Masaya po ba kayo? Happy? Eh, dapat masaya po tayo ngayong tanghaling ito. Anyway, I wanna give my last song at para po sa ating mga bisita ngayong tanghaling ito. Yan po. Para po sa inyo. Now I could can do most everything with you. You're simply amazing. You understand what I feel to need to see the world that you bring to me. I'll dance away after what you say. Bring us closer, never far away. Across the world of bad life, I can see tomorrow as you and I. Together we will lead. It's all or nothing, forever you and me. You're simply amazing. For you reach for me. And this days, and this memories, you will fall. I'll be where you were. To hear your voice, as you fall and start. To hear your call, my heart's pouring. Knowing I still belonging. Need you, can't you see? It's all or nothing, forever you and me. I pretend you're beautiful, my love. We're inseparable, I know love can reach the sky. Just watch and know the reason why. Life is more beautiful than time. I'm so grateful for you. Now I can do most everything with you. You simply amazing. You see me amazing. It's more beautiful than time. I'm so grateful for you. I can do most everything with you. You see me amazing. You're simply amazing. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you po. Okay, for this time, ayan na, ating inaantay ng ating mga guests. Magpalaro muna tayo. Okay po, ganito po ang gagawin po na natin. Magpapabring po ako to see